finally got something. Let's go. SVR. Let's go.
In eastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:46 p.m.
Would you look at that?
The storm was located over Beersville, or 10 miles north of Allentown, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
What the heck?
Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees.
Yes, sir.
Locations intended include Allentown, East Nazareth, Tinicum, Forks, Alpha, Dublin, Nazareth, Tinicum, Clinton, Bath, Alpha, Dublin, Ferndale, Belfast, Frenchtown, West Eden, Milford, and Terry. For your protection, interior refueling with this storm around the building. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton. Severe thunderstorm watch number 542 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties, Hunterdon and